Hello everyone. Wow, July 22nd. Amazing to think how much time's passed. Um, today's focus on this video, but ultimately this week is just different types of multiplication problems. They're not just your traditional ones, which there are some in day 2. Day 1 has a neat one, like a book is lying open on a desk. So imagine a book's open on a desk. Well, if you open the page, you should have page 20 on one side, page 21 on the other side. So if we think about page 20 and 21, we know that that's a total of, the product of that is 420. Well, they say the product of the page numbers is 930. Well, what if we said we had pages 24 and 25? Well, the product of that would be, well, if I double in half it, 25 goes to 50 to 100, 24 goes to 12 to 6. So that'd actually be 600. Well, that's still not 930. What if we jumped up to 40 and 41? And we know it's going to be too big. That's 1,640 pages. So obviously, our answer falls somewhere between there. That's just an example of that first problem, how you break it down to think to solve it. There's some cows and geese live on a farm. That you probably would want to do as a table. Think about cows and geese. And just remember, though, cows and geese. The total number of their legs is 48. The total number of their heads is 17. So cows have 4 legs. Geese have 2 legs. So just remember that as you go about it, knowing that if we had 6 cows and 11 geese, well, 6 and 11, that gives you your 17 heads. But they're wanting to know, well, how many legs? Well, 6 and 4 is 24, so that'd be 24 cow legs. That'd be 22 geese legs. That gives us an answer of 60. So that gives an answer, oops, I did not mean to say 66. I meant to say 46. So what we quickly realize is that, well, that's not the correct answer, but that's close, right? So then we have to go which way? Is it less cows and more geese, or more cows and less geese to give us our actual answer? So anyway, hope this helps you. Again, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, feel free to send me an email, and I look forward to seeing you allow your brain to develop and grow as a mathematician. Thank you.